Now let's talk ride quality. Because what good is a luxury limo if it doesn't glide like a cloud? Thanks to its upgraded air suspension system, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 Limo offers an incredibly smooth and cushioned ride. No bumps, no rattles, just effortless cruising. Whether you're on a cracked city street or a long highway, the suspension absorbs it all, making sure the passengers inside barely feel a thing. This isn't your average utility van anymore. It's pure first-class comfort. Now here's where the GMC Savana really flexes: customization. This limousine isn't cookie-cutter. Buyers can customize everything, from the interior color palette, to the seat material, bar design, and even the digital lighting themes. Want a futuristic neon blue interior with sci-fi style lighting and touchscreens everywhere? Done. Prefer a rich mahogany wood finish with deep burgundy leather and golden trim? Also possible. This limousine becomes whatever the owner imagines, whether for weddings, high-end executive transport, celebrities, or even political VIPs. Let's not forget the driver's zone either. Unlike most limousines where the focus is only on rear passengers, GMC has given special attention to the front cabin. The driver's cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment with navigation, voice commands, and all the modern comforts, including climate control, heated seats, and full smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers also get their own touch control panel for everything: AC, lighting, music, divider glass, and even calling the driver via intercom. It's modern, seamless, and feels like controlling your own private jet. Let's talk about real-world use cases. Why would someone go for a GMC limousine? For luxury transport companies, this is a money-making machine, more affordable than stretch. Luxury sedans, but more spacious and easier to maintain. For artists, celebrities, and influencers, this is a mobile dressing room and chill lounge. For corporate clients, it's a moving conference room. It leaves a lasting impression. And for weddings, proms, or parties, it's a rolling showstopper that turns every arrival into an entrance. Now about the cost. Of course, the price varies depending on customization, but generally, this limousine conversion pushes into the $110,000 to $160,000 range. Expensive? Yes, but compared to traditional stretch limos, this one offers more space, modern tech, and GMC reliability all in one sleek package. Fuel economy? You're not buying this for MPG, but it averages around 14 miles per gallon, which is surprisingly decent for something this massive and luxurious. And finally, maintenance. Since it's based on the proven Savana 3500 platform, parts and servicing are widely available. No exotic parts, no over-complex systems, just smart luxury engineering built on GMC toughness. So what's the verdict? The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 Limousine breaks every stereotype. It's not just a van. It's a statement of power, class, and customization, wrapped into one unforgettable vehicle. You're not just buying transport. You're buying an experience and making every journey feel like the destination itself. If this is your first time here, welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we go deep into what makes each vehicle unique. If you enjoyed this detailed review, give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews of the world's most interesting rides. Drop your thoughts below. Would you ride in this Savana limo or stick with a classic stretch sedan? And if you could design your own version, what features would it have? Until next time, stay classy, ride bold, and always keep it honest. Only here on Honest Auto Wheels.